Good guy.
Al, what did you get to eat?
I got some coffee cake, and I got some water, and I got hot chocolate.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Is the coffee cake better than mine?
Yeah.
What? What are you eating, Oliver?
Which one can I?
He's eating.
Either one.
He's eating cream cheese.
Mmm. He eats everything, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Do you like it, Ollie? You love shaking your head. Ollie, can you clap? Yay!
What?
No, Al, show him. Just clap and he'll do it. Okay, Ellie.
Yay! Good job,
Yeah,
Oliver!
people wave to you, say like bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Not right in his face. No, go like this, up and down. Can you do that, Ollie?
Okay.
Good job, Ollie!
Good.
This, Ollie.